Yo, John.
Oh, Adam, what's up? How you doing, man?
What's up with the sawdust?
Oh, I'm just building the bar for my final project.
We have a class that lets you do that?
Yeah, of course.
What's it called?
It's called Woods.
You're going to come around a line, right up on that line.
Welcome to the Woods Lab. In here, Professor Bush teaches us the skills we need to become woodworkers. From handcrafting joints to replacing table saw blades, we learn an incredible variety of skills in here. Here is a router table. This holds a router upside down, which is a power tool that can hollow out, cut, and shape wood, such as around the edges of your working piece. Here you can see Ryan using the joiner, which is a piece of equipment used to face rough cut lumber and is the beginning of the process in creating dimensional lumber. Here you can see Brian expertly using the planer, the next step in the milling process. Here you can see Mitch running a project on the Woods Lab CNC Router. This router is 3-axis and features a vacuum table and a 12-tool tool changer. And here you can see Professor Tryon, our manufacturing expert, assisting a student with the CAD for their router project. Here you can watch Mitch complete his lathe project on one of 4 wood lathes that are in our Woods Lab. Here are a few words from our department chair, Mr. Bush, about the class.
Hi, my name is Rich Bush. I'm chair of the Department of Technology, and one of the professors teaches the Materials Processing and Fabrication course, otherwise known as Woods. Again, this is an introductory experience where, again, you come in without much knowledge or a lot. It depends on your personal characteristics. But no matter where you show up at, we are going to push you along the continuum and teach you more and more, from hand tools to power tools to CNC, full spectrum experience, and what kinds of things should you expect to find in the modern workforce when it comes to working with wood.
Check out the state-of-the-art finish room where Perry is finishing her project with spray-on lacquer. The spray booth is ventilated for long health, and the finishing room itself is heated and holds a positive pressure to keep sawdust from entering.